Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Queen Marsha, and today we are about to make some sweet potatoes with some beans, all type of beans. They are super delicious, and I am also going to make my special sauce, which is a tahini sauce. So if you guys want to know how I make mine, just keep watching this video, and I'll be showing you guys how I make my stuffed sweet potato. And with that being said, let's get to the video. Okay, for this video, we're going to start off with our beans. Very important to make sure you grab your beans. And in this bag, as you can see, I have all type of beans, colorful beans. So just to name some of them, I have lentils, kidney beans, black beans, pinto beans, black-eyed peas, and also butter beans. And I also have green peas, white beans, and brown beans. Now make sure that your water is already boiling. Now I'm adding Celtic salt. You can use whatever salt you like. Isn't this so pretty? Look at all these colors. Okay. So now you want to saute your pan, and I added garlic, and I season it with some of my seasonings, and I added my chopped up vegetables, bell peppers, red peppers, mushrooms, also zucchini, cauliflower, and some onions. But if you're not comfortable with those vegetables, just use whatever vegetables you like. And as you can see, I'm adding my water, about to stir it all up, trying to get the flavor in, Yeah, look at that. It's kind of hot too. So I'm gonna let that steam, and yeah, I'll get back to it. Okay, here's the fun part. Now make sure you get your sweet potatoes. Use how much sweet potatoes you like. But for this recipe, I'm just going to use 4, and I am poking them. And it's very important that you poke anywhere around the potatoes, because it's going to bake better like that. So that's why I'm poking all these holes, I'm gonna just keep poking them, because I want to make sure it bakes perfect, so that's why I keep poking and poking and poking, just in case if you're wondering, so I gotta let you know. Okay, so place them under the oven and let it bake. Bake. And now on with the sauce. I got tahini, lemon, and garlic. So we about to blend this. What I did, I added water first. I was supposed to add like my garlic first and the tahini. I don't know what I don't know where my mind was at. So I ended up putting the water, and it was kind of splashing. So don't make that same mistake I did, just to let you know. If you don't know what's tahini is made from sesame seeds, and a lot of vegans and vegetarians, they use it just to make sauces for certain recipes. So it kind of brings out flavor. So that's what tahini is, and it also is loaded with protein. So that's another thing too that I love about it. And I am adding my Celtic salt, which is straight from the water, full of mineral, full of life. And I added black pepper. You don't have to add the black pepper, but I just kind of like my food a little spicy. And here is the magic. Now look at this. Look at these steamed vegetables. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. And yeah, now look at this potato. Woo, sweet potato that is. I'm really getting hungry, so yeah, let me hurry up and add all my toppings, just so I can hurry up and get a bite. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. Yeah, so you see the sauce? Yeah, it looks a little watery, but don't worry about that. Trust me, don't worry about it. It's gonna be super delicious. That's all your mind should be focused on. So I went ahead and added some avocados on top, and then I seasoned it with cayenne pepper and this is the finished product basically. And trust me, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could taste this. That's why I'm telling you guys, make your own and you will come back thanking me, because this is loaded with nutrients, minerals, and it's all plant-based, no chemicals, no, non-GMO. Everything is straight from the ground. So man, you are eating life. If you make this dish, you will be eating life. And trust me, you will be feeling better. Your body, like you'll just feel like, man, it's something about this food. Like I can feel it. Like it feels like I'm full of life again. Especially if you're like feeling weak and then you eat something like this, you will see the difference. You will notice the difference in your body. So please guys, try this. Try it. Let me go take my bite. Hold on, let me grab that broccoli right there. Look at it. Now Makai, he is in love with vegetables. Any vegetables I give him, he will eat it. I don't know why. Like oh my goodness. Let me just thank God for that, because this boy right here, he is a vegetable eater, a plant eater. And he's so healthy. And this is why when they get their checkup, it's never an issue, like never. So yes, guys, thanks for watching and be on the lookout for the next video. Bye.